all about obesity. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have an adverse effect on health, leading to reduced life expectancy and increased health problems. People are considered obese when their body mass index, a measurement obtained by dividing a person's weight in kilograms by the square of the person's height in meters, exceeds 30 kgs per square meter. According to the World Health Organization, 1.2 billion people worldwide are officially classified as overweight. This is probably the most sedentary generation of people in the history of the world. In the Indian scenario, even with the growing awareness about health and fitness, more than 3%, that means 3 crores of the Indian population, is obese. There is an urgent need to create public awareness about the mechanisms of identification, prevention, and treatment of severe obesity than ever before. Obesity increases the likelihood of various diseases, particularly heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, certain types of cancer, osteoarthritis, and asthma. Obesity is most commonly caused by a combination of excessive food energy intake, lack of physical activity, and genetic susceptibility. Although a few cases are caused primarily by genes, endocrine disorders, medications, or psychiatric illness. Evidence to support the view that some obese people eat little and gain weight due to a slow metabolism is limited. On average, obese people have a greater energy expenditure than their thin counterparts due to the energy required to maintain an increased body mass. Dieting and physical exercise are the mainstays of treatment for obesity. Diet quality can be improved by reducing the consumption of energy dense foods such as those high in fat and sugars and by increasing the intake of dietary fiber. Anti obesity drugs may be taken to reduce appetite or inhibit fat absorption together with a suitable diet. If diet, exercise, and medication are not effective, a gastric balloon may assist with weight loss, or a surgery may be performed to reduce stomach volume or bowel length, leading to earlier satiation and reduced ability to absorb nutrients from body. Obesity is a leading preventable cause of death worldwide with increasing prevalence in adults and children, and authorities view it as one of the most serious public health problems of the 21st century. Obesity is stigmatized in much of the modern world, particularly in the Western world, though it was widely perceived as a symbol of wealth and fertility at other times in history and still is in some parts of the world.